Is your Vauxhall Astra or Corsa key fob not working or displaying an open case error? The most likely culprit is a dead battery. This video will guide you through a simple DIY battery replacement, saving you time and money. First, gather your tools. You'll need anti-static tools to avoid damaging the electronics, a flat screwdriver or plastic pry tool, and a new CR2032 or CR2025 battery. The process involves gently opening the key fob, which is usually secured by clips, not screws. Use your pry tool carefully. Remove the old CR2032 or CR2025 battery. Note the positive side orientation to ensure correct insertion. Insert the new battery, ensuring the positive side faces up as noted earlier. Snap the case back together. After replacing, test the key fob within 3 meters of your vehicle. Remember to use anti-static tools to avoid damaging the electronics. If the remote still isn't working after a battery change, try resetting the fob by holding the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously for 10 to 15 seconds. If that doesn't work, a faulty button membrane or other internal issues might be the cause, especially in older models. In the future, smartphone-based keys and battery-free fobs are becoming more common in newer Vauxhall models, potentially eliminating the need for battery replacements. However, for older vehicles, replacing the key fob battery is still a routine fix. Make sure to avoid cheap counterfeit batteries, which can leak and corrode internals.